Hi, welcome to Don's Workshop. This is part 10 of my Lego Ferrari Daytona SP3 build. So last time, got the front suspension completed and the steering all hooked up, as well as just this final rubber band was hooked up to help make this gear changing mechanism work much smoother. So anyway, got to start a new box today, so let's get into that. This is box number 2. There's all the parts for box 2. Okay, so it looks like I got everything sorted here, so let's get started. And instructions here, we're on box 2 with bag 3, and the frame construction brings the front and rear sections together and gives the needed strength and rigidity to the model. So we're adding frame pieces to it, so let's get started. Whoa, okay, we got lots of stuff there. Okay. Yeah, there's lots of these 15 beams, so let's get going. Okay, just start over here. Okay. Okay, now this, we need, looks like 4 spaces, and then 2 more blue pins, and a black pin right there. Okay, looks good. We gotta do this 2 times. Okay. Like that. Okay, now we got to get the model back out here and add these. They go like that. Okay, like that. And just pop those in that side and do the same on the other side here. Okay, there we go. And now, yeah, that should be good. Now 2 more times again with that, and then we have 2 black pins on the other side. It's over here. And this gray axle with the lip on it there. Do that again. And gray axle goes this way. And then these sit. Okay, they sit over. Okay, that was a little annoying, but there's the axle back. And then that is supposed to go. So the axle is going to stick in this hole back here. Okay, just like that. There we go. That's that side. And then I have to put the same thing on the other side over here. And just get those pins connected. These pins need to go on There we go. Okay, those pins go in. Okay, they don't want to go in. The usual multi-pin battle. There we go. Okay, got that in. And then push these two blue pins in. And we're doing it again, except we got some more of these 15s. We're gonna do two of these again. And a 5 brown. And then I have to take okay, that's gonna go over top of that, like so. So we're gonna put it like that. Do it again. 5 brown goes in like that, and do that again. I'm just holding on like so. And then those are going more on this front area and over top of this long black axle. Okay, so that goes right there. Okay, and see that blue pin slides in there, and put these pins together if they'll cooperate. And then that one needs to cooperate too. There we go. And then same thing on the other side. There we go. All of them have to go together. There it goes. Okay. These are all pretty tricky getting them on there. You got 2 of these red beams with the pins. We have some red pieces, and they go on the, flip that over, and they go on the motor end here. I can get that on. Okay, blue pin goes at the bottom, and it sits on top of that red pin. There we go. Top of the red pin, and there. Okay. Now the frame. Okay. Set that one there. And we have the frame here, and put this red pin on beam connector. Okay. There we go. Now take this one 3 by white beam with axle connections, put the 2 axle pins in, and that goes essentially beside there, beside the red pin on beam. Okay. And we stick in 6 black pins. Oh, I'm sure that's going to be a fun time. And there they are. Okay, now 2 gray beams. Okay, not so bad then. side, and this one L-beam goes like that. And we have, this is a 9-beam. I guess we can go this way. And then a black pin going that way and a black pin going this way. We gotta do this twice. And there we go. Now, one goes on one side. There's the L. You go this way. And this way. Okay, now we have an L-beam red axle pin and a small L-beam. Red axle pin goes there. And the L-beam goes like this. The big L-beam. And then, okay, and then that connects. Supposed to connect right like that. Okay. Do the same thing for the other side. Okay, like so. Now for blue pins, long blue pins. And then these two T-beams with the axle connector. And now two red axles. Okay, just turn it like this. Put those in going this way. Oops, all the way through. There we go. And now that has to go on the rear suspension piece here, and I have to make sure that goes over those axles. Okay. And those stick out that way. And the red thing goes over there, so how is that going? Goes over those two axles. And the green, or the gray beam, those pins, and the pins at the top. There we go. And that is connected in there. That's all. Holding those gears in now properly. Okay, and then those are kind of supposed to sit up. Now we have, flip that over and add some black pins. Okay. They go over here. On either side. Uh-oh. That one doesn't want. Here, that's a bit. Okay, that's supposed to sit like that? I guess so. And then that goes in there, and that one goes in there. Now where's the other one? The other one goes back here. I see a spot, like it's down here. Is it underneath the gray axle? Looks like it's underneath the gray axle. Maybe not the best angle to show that one, I don't know. Yeah, I suppose. Okay, so now 2 more of these 15 beams. Not like that. Like so, and like so. Okay, and then those hook up to those pins I put in, and okay, now do they slide? Okay, they're in front of that. Okay, they slide on like that. Is that right? Okay. So I was wondering, does that need to be pushed up? There we go. And slide all these blue pins in. There we go. And just the same thing on the other side. Just this suspension needs to be pushed down just a little bit to slide that in. Here, come on. They don't. There. And there, like that. Kind of bending around here. And that's the way it's supposed to be. And like that. Okay. Oh, that's over there. Okay, those are all on. And now we have an L beam. Need 2 of these, and they just are gonna slide on top of stuff over here. Okay, so this is supposed to slide on like that. And then it goes on that black pin. And one on the other side. And then these two pieces go on just faces up. Okay, it's just like the other one. Okay, so now orange axle pins, or axle connection pins, and blue axle pins together, and they go in a spot right there and there. Okay, and now we have 2 little L's. Or 1 little, okay, there's 2, there's 1 for each side. An axle, blue axle pin, and that goes, it's gonna go here and connect all of that stuff up. Nice and solid. And just do the same thing for the other side. This is going to be really solid. I mean, we're just putting in a ton of pins here. Beams and whatnot. Okay, now we have two of these. We're going to put a 1x1 beam on that. And then 2 rolling pins on the black pin. Okay, and that. Flip this over again, see where we're at. And that is going over, well, that hooks onto these pins that are sticking out here with the rolling pins. And then these two go into the gray beam here. Now we're going to use the 15 length one with both holes in both directions. And that goes this way, slides onto these like that. There, that's that one. Okay, I think that's those two, and then there's a black pin that needs to go in beside there and there. Okay. Those pins are in. So that has been part 10 of my Lego Ferrari Daytona SP3 build. Been building frame pieces up, so we got all this frame on the top and sides here. All of this is on here. So that's a lot of framing, that as well as this on the back. So it's getting stronger. Hold all this stuff together. Gears are being held in, so that's good. Anyway, so if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take it easy.